We're here with the defending Hyundai XL Tasmania champion, Jeremy Bennett. Jeremy, how did you get involved in XL racing?
Well, we found a car cheap on Gumtree and just thought it'd be good to get into, cheap way of motor racing, and from there on, here we are.
So you've been in XLs for a number of years. What's the appeal of the category?
Just like close racing, and it's affordable as well, and a good bunch of people.
On track, you've obviously proven to be one of the quicker drivers in the series and winning the championship last year. Who's your main opposition and who have you got to watch out for?
Jackson Shaw this year, he's looking real fast. He's qualified first today, and yeah, he's driving really well.
What about Dylan Cooper?
Don't have to worry about much there. I reckon I've got him covered easy.
All right, now for some quick fire questions. Cats or dogs?
Cats.
Favourite movie?
It would be Step Brothers.
And any car in your garage, what would you like to have?
John Talbot's Group NC Mustang.
Nice choice. Thanks, Jeremy.
Yeah, thanks.
Dylan Cooper, why do you like Hyundai XL racing?
Oh, it's good to get out, cheap circuit racing, bit of fun, bit of banter. Everyone's great to race with, and yeah, good close racing.
Last year you finished third in the championship. What's the goal for this year?
Well, obviously we want to aim higher, but to stay consistent is the main aim, definitely.
Here there's a celebrity in your class.
Yeah, good old Robert Irwin. I always go up there trying to get his signature, but he won't give it out. But no, he's good to race against though.
Then Dylan, you come from a drifting background?
Yeah, I do actually. Crikey! It's a Robert Irwin!
G'day, Dylan. How are you?
What are you doing? You're meant to be feeding your Crocs, mate.
I thought you'd tidy the car up a little bit for a new year, but...
Poor Crocs.
All right, some non-motorsport questions. Which do you prefer, cats or dogs?
Dogs, I hate cats.
Favourite movie?
Fast and Furious, yeah.
And any car in your garage, what would you have?
Probably this, to be honest. It's the most fun. Like, everything else is unreliable because they're all imports. But this is like reliable and fun, yeah.
Ollie Wickam, how old are you and how long have you been racing for?
14 years old, and I've been racing go-karts since I was 7, but this is my first race car meeting.
And why Hyundai XLs?
I just found this is probably the best for younger to learn how to drive a race car, since it's my first time actually driving.
What's your future plans?
I'll make it somewhere in race cars, become a professional driver, if it's V8s or somewhere over across the world in GT3s or something like that.
Cool, and some non-motorsport questions now. Cats or dogs, which do you prefer?
Definitely dogs. I've never had a cat before, but have heaps of dogs.
Cool, your favourite movie?
I don't really have one. I don't really watch movies, no.
And if you could have any car in your garage, what would it be?
Probably an F40 Ferrari. Yeah.
Awesome choice. Cool, thank you. Good luck for the weekend.
Thank you.
Hey Les, we've spoken to the youngest driver in XL racing. Now we're speaking with the second oldest. When did you start racing and which class did you start in?
I started in 2020, just after COVID, and straight into XLs.
What was the appeal to join the XL class?
Well, Pete Kingston was already racing, and we just wanted to get a few of us into a group and yeah, go have fun.
Age is no barrier in the XL class, and there's now a Masters class. Is that part of what makes this enjoyable?
Well, you're never too old, and yeah, just get out and enjoy yourself while you can. You can't do it when you're 6 foot under.
You can race XLs if you're looking just for fun at any age.
Yeah, well, the Masters was brought in for the older ones. That we can't compete with the young ones. We're there to have our fun and hopefully make bigger numbers with the older people.
And some non-motorsport questions. Cats or dogs?
Cats.
Favourite movie?
Or Lethal Weapon.
And any car in your garage, what would you have?
Ooh. Probably me GT.
Sounds good. Thanks, Les.
I don't know what to say. I don't know. Cut that. Is that enough?
Yeah, do it. Don't be. Where's your outfit? You've even got an Australian Zoo outfit.